In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a budget in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to build a clear, structured budget that you can actually use to track your business performance throughout the year. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. First, we need to get to the budgeting area. Look to the top right of your screen and click on the gear icon, also known as Settings. In the menu that opens, find the section labeled Tools, and then click on Budgeting. This is the central place where all of your budgets will live. Once you're on the budgeting page, you'll see a list of any existing budgets. To create a new one, click the button that says Create New Budget. This opens up the budget setup window where we'll enter all the details. Begin by giving your budget a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it 2025 Budget or Marketing Budget 2025. Choose something that will make sense later when you're looking at reports. Next, select the correct fiscal year using the drop-down arrow. Make sure this matches your accounting year so that your budget lines up properly with your financial reports. Now choose the budget type. If you want to budget for income and expenses, select Profit and Loss. This is what most businesses use. If you need to plan for ending balances in accounts, choose Balance Sheet instead. After that, decide how you want the budget to be laid out over time. You can break it down monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Monthly gives you the most detail and is usually best for tracking trends and cash flow. If your company uses customers, locations, or classes in QuickBooks, you can optionally subdivide your budget by one of those. This is useful if you want to see separate budgets for different branches, departments, or types of work. Next, choose your starting point. If you select From Scratch, you'll enter every amount manually. This is good if your business is new or changing a lot. If you select From Prior Year's Actuals, QuickBooks will pre-fill the budget with last year's numbers and you can adjust from there. This is a big time saver if your business is fairly consistent. Now it's time to enter and adjust your figures. Click into the cells for each account in each time period and type in your budgeted amounts. Take your time here and think realistically about revenue and expenses. If you want to speed things up, use the batch actions. These let you copy one amount across multiple months or split a total evenly across the year, which is helpful for things like rent or subscriptions that don't change much. When you're happy with your numbers, click Save or Save and Close to finalize your budget. You can always come back and edit it later if something changes in your business. Once your actual data starts coming in during the year, you can use this budget to stay on track. Go back to the Reports section and look for Budget versus Actuals. Running this report will show you how your real results compare to your plan, so you can spot overspending, underperforming revenue, or areas where you're doing better than expected. And that's how you set a budget in QuickBooks Online, from navigating to the budgeting tool, all the way through to running useful comparison reports.